Good morning, everyone, and happy Independence Day to all from me and my group members. Today, we are present here to tell you about India's progress in technology and independence. What was the situation in India after independence? It was India's good fortune that during the best of times and the worst, the country had its leaders of science who have assiduously striven to nurture and build schools of research that measure up to the demands of the most difficult scientific challenges. Whatsoever was the situation of India in 1947, India had its best leaders with them to solve all the problems and try to make India problem free. India government did very hard work to take its technology to this extent. Now, Harnur will tell you further about the topic.
Now, progress which took place from 1947 to 1967, Jawaharlal Nehru promoted higher education, science, and technology in India. IIT, the Indian Institute of Technology, is a 22-member committee of scholars and entrepreneurs in order to promote technical education. It was introduced on 15 August 1951 at Kanpur in West Bengal. More IITs were soon opened in Bombay, Madras, Kanpur, and Delhi as well in the late 1950s and early 1960s. Progress from 1967 to 1987. Dhirubhai Ambani, you can also see his image here. He established the Reliance Group as a trading house called Reliance Commercial Corporation. Indian Space Research Organization to rapidly develop in India in 1960s beginning, even after the first nuclear test explosion by India on 18 May 1974 at Pokhran. Then, by the early 1980s, India had developed a strong industrial and agricultural base and had a large pool of trained Indian human resource. Lastly, progress from 1987 to 2020. India spends about 10% of all expenses on research and development in Asia. By 45%, scientific publication were grown over the 5 years to 2007. India invested 3.7 billion US dollars in science and technology in 2002 and 2003. For comparison, China invested about 4 times more than India, where United States invested approximately 75% more than India. While India has increased its output on scientific paper fourfold between 2000 and 2015, overtaking Russia and France. Post-independence to now. What difference came in urban areas? As we all know, technology is very important in today's time. But before independence, urban areas had technology, but not as much as now. Before, everyone used cycles for transportation, but now cars are used. Paperwork was more years back, but now it is less and digital work is more. It means mobiles, laptops, and PCs are used for work. Now, what difference came in rural areas? The scope to apply technology to both farming and non-farming activities in rural area is huge. Somewhere it is also applied. So farming was done manually before, but now tractors, harvester, etc. are used in the form of technology. Nowadays, internet signals are also available in rural areas, and rural people are also educating their children for their better future. Now, Arpan will tell you more about our topic.
Now, advantages and disadvantages of technology. Everything has good and bad sides as same as technology. Advantages of technology are ease to access to information. It provides us access to information very easily. We don't need to search a lot like as we used to do before. Better communication means we can easily communicate with anyone with the help of technology. Better learning techniques. As we know from internet, we get to learn many new things. We can also revision our chapters in a better way and many more. Disadvantages of technology are data security. Bad data is somewhere not secured properly. So hackers can hack our system and can leak our personal information. Crime and terrorism. From our leaked personal, anyone can blackmail us to do something which we don't want to do. This is called cybercrime. Addiction. People easily get addicted to technology, which is not good at all, and many more. We thank you all for watching our presentation. I hope you liked our work.